Just like a perfectly layered cake, creating customer loyalty means crafting experiences that keep people coming back for more. In today's episode, we'll walk through the layers that make up a solid customer loyalty strategy, from the base to the icing on top, so your audience stays engaged, satisfied, and totally hooked. Grab your mixing bowls and let's start layering up a loyalty strategy that's guaranteed to satisfy. Welcome to Talk Like a Brand, the podcast where we're serving up fresh insights and strategies to make your brand look as good as it tastes. I'm Peachi Williams, the brand voice builder and your resident brand chef, here to help you cook up unforgettable brands with a side of fun. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to add new ingredients to the mix, you're in the right place. Grab your headphones, get comfy, and let's get in the kitchen because it's time to serve up some business smarts that'll leave your brand craving for more. Let's get cooking. Let's kick things off with the base layer, the foundation of any great cake and the core of customer loyalty. Trust. Without trust, no amount of sweet perks or rewards will keep customers coming back, right? So how do you bake a solid base of trust? 1, consistency. When you show up consistently across all your touch points, whether it's your messaging, product quality, or customer service, consistency tells your audience they can rely on you. Again, and I say it all the time, consistency is key. Next, transparency. Be open and honest about what your brand stands for, from product sourcing to service policies, because your transparency builds credibility and, again, trust. And then reliability. You want to follow through on your promises. If you tell customers their order will arrive by Friday, make sure it's there by Friday. Let's think of Amazon for a minute. Now, their base layer of trust is built through reliability and consistency, from fast shipping to easy returns. Customers know they can count on Amazon, which keeps them coming back time and time again, right? So you may want to start auditing your brand's current interactions. Are you consistently delivering? And are you clear across all your channels? Write down 1 or 2 ways to build more trust with your audience, like improving reliability or refining your communication. Because the base layer, once again, is all about trust. Build a foundation your customers can rely on, and you'll have a strong start for customer loyalty. Are you ready to ignite your brand and watch it shine? Join Prism, the exclusive membership that gives you the tools to create, brand, and grow like a pro. Whether you're just starting or leveling up, Prism is packed with everything you need to take your brand to the very next level. Join now at bit.ly/Prism now. Your brand's next big move starts. So now that we have our base, let's move on to the filling, the good part. The layer that adds flavor and depth to your loyalty cake. As a baker, I love this part because in your strategy, this filling is all about value, delight, and personalized experiences that make customers feel what? Special. So how do you create a delicious filling for your brand? First, you add value-driven interactions. Let me repeat that. Value-driven interactions. That means you're going to go above and beyond with unexpected extras like bonus content, insider tips, or even surprise discounts. Because these small gestures create lasting positive impressions. Who doesn't want to get a coupon? Raise your hand. You also need to have personalized experiences. Use your customer data to tailor your offerings. You want to send personalized emails. You want to have custom recommendations. And you might want to have a loyalty program based on customer preference. Third, you want to have moments of delight. Surprise your customers with little touches like a handwritten thank you note, which works wonders, by the way, an unexpected freebie, or a social media shout out. People love to be recognized. So if you're not using these tactics, that's one just you might want to put in your list of ingredients. Now, a brand that does this really well is Zappos. Their brand feeling is all about delighting customers from exceptional customer service to their surprise shipping upgrades. And these extras turn everyday customers into loyal fans who remember the brand's unique touch. I can speak on that because I am a loyal customer. Think about your brand and identify one way you can add more value or delight to your customer experience. Maybe it's adding a thank you email after a purchase, or offering a loyalty discount, or creating content that speaks directly to your customers' needs. The feeling, again, is where you add that depth and flavor that your customers want and need. So you want them to feel valued and delighted, and they'll come back for more. And the icing on the cake, the finishing touch that makes your loyalty cake truly irresistible. The icing represents the rewards, perks, and appreciation you show to your loyal customers. The way you make them feel like valued insiders inside your brand's community. How can we do that? To create an amazing, delicious icing that keeps them coming back for more, you can try a loyalty program. Offer points and discounts or exclusive perks to reward repeat customers. And you want to keep it engaging, easy to understand, and enjoyable to use. Hey, brand builders, want to take your brand to the next level? Join my exclusive mailing list at bit.ly/colormail and get the latest tips, tricks, and resources to create, brand, and grow your way to success. It's quick, it's free, and packed with everything you need to make your brand shine. Don't wait, hit that link and join the brand fam today. Or you can recognize your most loyal customers with shout outs, showing appreciation. And again, that's personalized thank you notes or even special birthday discounts. I love my special birthday discounts. And then exclusive content and access. You want to reward your loyalty people, your top people who patronize your business and love your brand by giving them early access to new products, or members-only webinars, or even exclusive behind-the-scenes content. These are gold. A company that does this very, very well is Sephora. Their Beauty Insider program is a top-tier example of the icing. The members earn points for purchases, they get birthday gifts, and have access to exclusive sales and products. The result is a community of loyal beauty enthusiasts who feel valued and rewarded. Ask me how I know. No, you don't need to know. So now take a look at your current customer rewards. Are they enticing enough? You want to write down at least one way you can sweeten the deal. Like if you launch a simple loyalty program or send exclusive content, or add a special touch that shows your appreciation. Because again, the icing is what makes your loyalty strategy irresistible. And you want to reward your customers for sticking with you. And they'll keep coming back for seconds and thirds and more. Building a loyalty strategy is all about layering up a solid base of trust, filling it with value and delight, and finishing it with sweet rewards that make customers feel appreciated. I want you to take a few minutes to review your current customer experience and see if there are any layers that could use a little more sweetness. With the right mix of trust, value, and rewards, you too can have a customer loyalty strategy that's as delicious as it is effective. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with fellow brand builders who might be looking to layer up their own loyalty strategy. And as always, I love to hear your thoughts, so connect with me on social media and let's chat about what makes your customers loyal to your brand. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, keep branding, and let's grow.